Hey everyone, and welcome. Are you tired of feeling like a detective, constantly hunting down fraudulent orders in your WooCommerce store? Dealing with chargebacks, fake addresses, and stolen credit cards can feel like a never-ending battle. But what if you could put a stop to all that? What if you could automate the process of identifying and blocking fraudulent activity before it even hits your bottom line? That's where our anti-fraud for WooCommerce course comes in. Over the next 5 videos, we'll equip you with the knowledge and tools to transform your store into a fortress against fraudsters. We'll be covering everything from setting up essential fraud prevention plugins, like configuring fraud scoring and AVS checks, to mastering advanced techniques like geolocation filters and blacklist management. Think of this course as your fraud-fighting bootcamp. We'll be diving deep into 5 key areas: plugin setup, fraud scoring, payment gateway security, order verification, and advanced fraud prevention tactics. By the end of this course, you'll be able to spot a suspicious order a mile away and stop it dead in its tracks. No more sleepless nights worrying about chargebacks. So, whether you're just starting out with WooCommerce or you're a seasoned pro looking to boost your security, this course is for you. We'll make fraud prevention easy, effective, and even a little bit fun. Ready to join the fight against fraud? Click the link below to get started with the first lesson. Let's lock down those stores.